Hi dear Virgo, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal monthly reading for all the Virgo Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 1st till the 15th of December 2024. I'm going to tap into your recent past, current energies, and near future, and we will see the guidance as usual, starting with the overall energy for the first 15 days. Okay, it's not a love reading or career reading or anything specific, but whatever messages will come, I will just let you guys know. If you want to be a tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing the course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same. It has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal consultations, you can check out the description box and you can get the links. Just give me a second. Okay, so let's start Virgo. The overall energy for Virgo people for the first 15 days of December 2024 is, let's see. We have the Justice. You are going to do the right thing, or at least you are going to be like, okay, I'm going to do the right thing. I'm going to deal with situations in a more approachable way, like more justiciable way. I don't know the exact meaning of what I just said. So you are going to be balanced way, you can say. You are going to be in this energy of I'm going to do the right thing even if nobody is looking at me. Integrity. Nice, bro. Let's see in the recent past what was happening. We have the Page of Wands. Okay, you started something with the with a lot of childlike energy, with a naive kind of energy of, okay, let's do this. You were quite interested in something or someone and you were quite happy about that. In the current situation, 10 of Swords, you're dealing with a situation where you're trying to see the light at the end of the tunnel. Something is gone, something is dead, or it's not working out anymore for you. By the 15th of December, we have the Moon in reverse, facing your fears head on. No more secrets, no more this energy of how, when, this, that. Facing your fears head on. Let's clarify these cards. Let's clarify the Page of Wands in the recent past for you guys. We have the Eight of Cups, the Six of Swords, and the Page of Wands. Okay, you were detaching from something or someone in the recent past and you were starting a brand new chapter of your life with this energy of I have to move on and I have to let the past be in the past and I have to restart my life with a fresh energy, with a clean slate. So you started your life, you started some chapter of your life with a very clean slate kind of energy, with a brand new kind of energy, with the childlike innocence, with this energy of, okay, let's do it. Hey, I have gone through so much in my life, but this is a fresh day, fresh chapter, fresh life, so let's do that. You were quite enthusiastic and happy about something or someone. Currently, the 10 of Swords, you're just trying to get up and move on. Let's clarify the 10 of Swords here. We have the Queen of Swords, the Death card, the Two of Swords. There's no longer any kind of confusion. Okay, there is something that is no longer working out. It's dead, it's done, it's gone. This is the death of something. And it's very painful. But you're no longer confused. You're no longer stressed out. You're accepting the truth for what it is and how it is. And you're trying to see the light at the end of the tunnel. And you're quite sure you are going to win. You are going to get out of this situation or sooner or later in your life. My goodness, I should rest. Oh my god. I should just take rest. I work a lot. Workaholic Taurus. Anyway, so you are just no longer confused, no longer stressed out, no longer in this energy of what should I do, what should I not do, because the path is clear in front of you and you're following that path very beautifully. By the 15th of December, the Moon in reverse, facing your fears head on, or at least trying to. Let's see. Yeah, wow, Virgo, heads up. It's like you cutting the crap, you getting out of this feeling sorry for yourself continuously from quite a long time now. You are going to be taking the charge of your life in your hands. You are going to be in this energy of let's do this. Something that you are scared of doing or facing, again facing your fear head on, and then stabilizing that energy. After you're going to face the fear, you're going to realize that it was something that was not that much horrible, or that was not that much scary, as you were making in your head. So something or someone is going to push your button to the limit of you facing the fear head on, and then realizing that it was nothing. You were just scared of nothing. Even if right now something is scaring the shit out of you, and you might shit your pants even thinking about that situation. Now, by the 15th of December, you're going to be like, okay, maybe I will shit my pants, but I will go and focus on this, and like face this fear of mine, whatever that is. And then it's going to make you emerge into a new Virgo. I was about to say Libra. Maybe you are dealing with a Libra somehow. Not mandatory. It's like emerging as a Virgo 2.0, because you are no longer going to be scared of something or someone. Facing the fear head on is going to help you to realize that everything that you were fearing was just an illusion. It was not easy, but it will give you the strength. Guidance, the Emperor. See, you have to take the charge of your life in your own hands. Stop blaming others. Stop blaming the universe. Stop blaming yourself. Just take the responsibility of your life in your hands. Your happiness, your sadness, and everything that you are going to get in your life is your responsibility. Is the direct like is okay, everything that you're getting in your life is actually a result of your actions only. My goodness, God. Virgo, see what you're doing to me. Fine, bye. Good night.